तो हमारे साथ हैं प्रोफेसर नवेद केसर साहब। ऐसे तो लखनऊ से हैं, लेकिन मुझे लगता है पिछले 32 साल से शेर कश्मीर यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर साइंसेज एंड टेक्नोलॉजी में कार्यरत हैं। फैकल्टी ऑफ फॉरेस्ट्री के डीन भी रह चुके हैं, तो आजकल तो कंट्रोलर ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन से। तो हमने चाहा कि चूंकि 22 मई को इंटरनेशनल डे ऑफ बायोलॉजिकल डाइवर्सिटी है और उस वक्त शायद हम आ पाए नहीं आ पाए, तो आज हमारे पास थोड़ा समय था, तो हमने कहा चलो बायोडाइवर्सिटी में हम कश्मीर के एक ऐसे पौधे की बात करें जो थ्रेटन्ड है, जो नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज में काफी कम होता जा रहा है और बड़ा ही यूनिक प्लांट है, जिसको माना जाता है कि शेखुल आलम नुंद ऋषि अपने समय में इसकी एक छड़ी को लेकर के चला करते थे, क्योंकि उस वक्त के कश्मीरियों का ये सोचना था कि ये कहीं ना कहीं रेप्टाइल्स को, खासकर स्नेक्स को दूर भगाता है। क्योंकि इसके ऊपर आप देखिए ये कैसर साहब, ये जो सफेद लाइंस है ना, इस पे ये वुड है, मैच्योर वुड पे आप देखें तो ये बड़े क्लियर कट आपको व्हाइट मार्क्स दिखते हैं। तो हमारे पुराने बुजुर्गों ने इसको सांपों का एक सिंबल समझ लिया कि ये दर्शाता है कि अगर सांपों से बचना है तो इसकी छड़ी लेके वो चला करते थे। तो शेखुल आलम ने भी इसकी छड़ी कभी न कभी अपने इस्तेमाल की है, तो इसलिए इसके बड़ा ये सैक्रेड प्लांट हो गया ये। और पूरे नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज में ये उत्तराखंड में है, हिमाचल में है और हमारे कश्मीर में, लेकिन बहुत कम। किसी भी फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर को आप पूछेंगे,
इसकी नेचुरल रिजनरेशन तो नहीं है ना,
इसकी नहीं होगी, पर ना ही फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट ने कभी कोशिश की कि इस प्लांट को हम इंक्लूड करें अपनी नर्सरी के फॉरेस्ट्री प्रोग्राम में, और कहीं ना कहीं हम इसकी प्लांटिंग करें।
सर, इट इज अ श्रब और अ ट्री?
इट्स अ श्रब। It becomes a small tree. Small tree, yeah. Small tree, but usually it is considered as a shrub. Small, large shrub or small tree.
इसकी फैमिली को?
That I will come. But how to identify the plant? English name of this shrub is bladder nut tree. So bladder nut, how it got its name? Because it is urinary bladder like. It is a swollen fruit.
Yes.
And it is trilobed. 1, 2, 3.
Trilobed. Yes.
And inside you will find the seeds. And stem is having the opposite leaves.
Yes.
Opposite leaves.
Yes.
But each leaf is compound. Each leaf is compound. 1, 2, 3. 3 leaflets. 1, 2, 3. So one leaf is divided into 3 leaves. There is a compound leaf.
Yes.
So you will find the pair of compound leaves at each node. But each leaf is made up of only 3 leaves. Leaflets.
Yes.
Leaflets. And here in terminal stem के ends, branchlet के ends, you will find flower, cluster of flowers.
Good.
4, 5 or 6. But ultimately one is maturing here. Sometimes you may find 2 fruits also.
So I think it may come.
Sometimes you may have the 2 fruits also, or maybe maximum 3.
It comes in flowering in June.
No. This is the time.
Yeah.
March, April.
May.
April, May is the flowering time, and this is maybe the last year's fruit. I think.
Last year?
Yes, March, April. So I think it should maybe the fresh one.
It's green.
But it looks green. Maybe the early flowering because it was I think early warming of spring. Otherwise, usual time is this March, April. But maybe it has already flowered and now it has produced.
Leaves क्या पत्ते जानवर खाते नहीं? पक्का.
Local people, even they have forgotten its
It
identity.
doesn't have any fodder value, but timber value is there because of the stick.
Yeah.
Walking stick. इसी की लेकर. आप क्या करते?
What you call it in local language? इसको बोलते हैं छल छत्र.
छाल छत्र. आप यही काम करते हैं? So,
botanical identity of this shrub is Staphylia immodi. Staphylia immodi belongs to the family Staphyliaceae. but earlier this was included
Yes,
in
sir.
the Sapiendaceae family. Now it has got its own family. So under the genus Staphylia, we have about 10-12 species, and largest number of species found in China, about 4 species. This is also sometimes considered as native to China, Staphylia imodi, but this is also found in our northwestern Himalayas, including Kashmir mountains. And even in Chicago, I saw this shrub included in the botanical garden as well as the zoos as a decorative shrub, and for its inflated amazing fruits, and because of these serpentine like marks also. So I think this is one plant which is threatened, and this need to be propagated and included in forestry operations. So your faculty of forestry need to be advised through my interactions. I have always advised, but I think they could not
जैसा आपसे थोड़ी सी दरखास्त है
find this
कि
plant.
आप इसकी देखरेख करते हैं तो अगर हम
It is better if you send some students to this place and they can see the plant, and
कटिंग लेके
then if they can collect some seeds,
हम ऑटम में
so
इसकी कटिंग कलेक्ट करें
it can be
और हम ले जाएं
propagated. Show how much beautiful shrub, wonderful plant. So I think this was required to be. You can also join.
आइए प्लीज आप सब इस पे आ जाएंगे
तो ये चश्माशाही बोटानिकल गार्डन में फ्लोरिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट का करिश्मा है कि दे कुड इंक्लूड इट इन देयर गार्डन which forestry department has failed so far, and I think even Sequoia is still lagging behind. So it is the I think example for forestry department as well as for the University of Kashmir, even Sequoia, they should also include it in their botanical garden or herbal garden or in their forestry plantation. This is the plant which is quite declining in the winter habitat, and moreover it is sacred to, it is associated with Shekulau.